CLEESINK, an OEM manufacturer, has been in food waste disposer business since 2012. Currently, it has selling around 60,000 pieces annually worldwide, and with 10 to 20% growth each year. It is a company with 10% technician and 10% QC people. All CLEESINK products are CB, RoHS approved, and partly are with ETL. CLEESINK provides varieties of food waste disposers, from 1/3 HP up to 5 HP, including both domestic, family and commercial, restaurant usage disposers. All CLEESINK food waste disposers are 2 or 3 years warranted, with a less than 1% fault rate. We warmly welcome global customers to our company for discussion and on-site visits to establish long-term cooperation relationships.